so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw something else together? Me too. I think we should draw a hedgehog. All right, I'm gonna take this black marker and draw a diagonal line. Yeah, which is a line on an angle. And then I'm gonna start to draw a circle. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop just like that. And I'm gonna go to the top of the diagonal line, go straight down, and then loop and make a really long L, just like that. And that's the body. But before I go, I'm gonna start to make the circle and color it in, and that is the nose right there. They can smell really well. And then another circle, and that's the eye. And then a big smile, because they're all so happy. And then we need some U's, just like that, for the legs. Whoa! And then we're gonna do some upside down V's. Whoa! For the pokies. Whoa! Wow, there we go. Cute animal. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw Arpo. Arpo is a great and patient babysitter who's also a robot. All right, let's start by drawing Arpo's face. Let's start with this curved line like that, go up with another curve, and then let's draw the top of Arpo's head. Whoa, wait. Then let's keep that curved line going, and woo, yeah. All right, and then for his eyes, some more curved lines, and a circle with a circle inside, another circle, with another circle inside, and you can't forget about his mouth. Yeah, a straight line and a silly tooth right there. Whoa! And for his shoulders, there's Arpo. Wow, I love drawing. Did you have fun today? Yeah, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And you know what we're drawing today? Yeah, a bulldozer. Yeah, I love bulldozers. They're so big and heavy, and they push with that front blade anything and everything out of its way. All right, let's use the color orange. A lot of pieces of construction vehicles, yeah, are the color orange. All right, so let's draw a line right here, a 90-degree angle. Whoa! And then another line, and down. Whoa, what does that look like? Yeah, looks like a backwards L. This is where the engine is, and that's where the operator sits. You need to give them a square for a window, so then they can see. And then, does a bulldozer have wheels and tires or tracks? Yeah, tracks. So let's draw a very, very big oval. Wow, there we go. Yeah, and then we need to draw the blade. Whoa, kind of looks like a moon, doesn't it? And then we need to connect that just like that. And now that looks like a bulldozer, but you can't forget about the ripper. Whoa, cool. Well, if you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi, and I'm really tired. Wait a second, why don't we draw a bed together? That sounds like fun. Yeah, I love going to bed because I have sweet, nice dreams. All right, let's draw a blue bed. All right, first, let's start to draw a big rectangle. Yeah, and I'm gonna make a little gap right there, and I'll show you why. You see that? But first, we need some pillows. Yeah, you need to have something to lay your head on, and these pillows are rectangles. Yeah, just like that. And watch this trick. Whoa! Looks like when you go like this, yeah, it looks like those are the blankies. But if you do a little line like that, and then match that squiggle, Now it looks like you folded back the covers and made your bed. Whoa! Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to draw something else with me? Yeah, let's draw the night sky. Wow, at nighttime, is there the sun or the moon? Yeah, the moon. So let's act like we're drawing a circle, but let's stop halfway. And then let's arch it back the same way. Yeah, that looks like the moon, doesn't it? Yeah, the moon actually can look different. Yeah, at different times of the month. Yeah, because light hits it in different ways. Oh, hey, and what else is in the night sky? Yeah, stars. Let's draw some orange stars. There we go. Wow, this is perfect. I love the nighttime. Oh, it's so relaxing. And look, my two favorite colors, blue and orange. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a sea turtle with me? Yeah, I love sea turtles. They are so cute. I love how they have a shell and then they can swim underwater. Whoa. All right, first I'm gonna take this green marker and draw the shell. So I'm gonna draw a big curved line like that, and then another curved line right there. Woo, and then that looks like the shell, doesn't it? Yeah, shells are really hard. Up here, I'm gonna draw the neck and the head. Whoa, perfect. And I'm gonna color in a circle for the eye, and then a smiley face. Yeah! All right, let's draw another curved line like this. Ooh, and another curved line like that. And 3 more curved lines right up there to complete the shell. And then we need to draw 4 squares for the legs. Well, actually, they're not legs. They're actually fins on sea turtles. Yeah, so then they can swim underwater. Wow, I love sea turtles, and I love drawing. If you want to draw with me some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have something really fun for us to draw together today. Let's draw a castle. There's a lot of rectangles on this one. So first, let's draw a sideways rectangle like that. There we go. And then a rectangle, a really tall one right in the middle. And then a shorter one on this side. Whoa, look at that. And then a shorter one on this side right here. Whoa, and then we can draw a nice triangle right up top on all 3 of these. Whoa, it's starting to look like a castle, right? Oh, and you can't forget about the drawbridge. There we go. Whoa, and then let's draw a little flag up top. Whoa, there we go. Cool, and let's draw some windows right there. Whoa, do you like that castle? I do too. I would love to live in a castle. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!